mention?
My lord, item number 13, my lord. Item number 13. Lordship has led this matter also, my lord. This matter was Prinkle, my lord. Prinkle K, my lord. My lord was the...
This has to be listed before another bench.
My lord.
Yes, item 13. List this matter before any other bench without me. Just write in the bracket. All right.
Lordship, I beg to make a mention for item number 6, Your Lordship.
6.
Since the conducting counsel is still on bereavement, Your Lordship.
Is this my item?
Yes, sir.
Lordship.
So,
Yeah, for
Lordship.
the respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
He is for the respondent.
Oh, so sorry. My apologies, sir.
You know it, isn't it?
Yes, my apologies, Your Lordship.
Yes. When do you want it?
After 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes. Yes. 6. At the request made on behalf of the respondent. This is matter after 2 weeks. He prayed for 3 weeks.
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
3 weeks.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
I beg to mention item number 7, Your Lordship.
Yes.
The conducting counsel is out of station, so let the matter be fixed after 2 months, 2 weeks.
You are for the petitioner.
For the respondent, Your Lordship.
We are for the respondents.
State is the respondent here. I don't know what
State is the respondent. I am for one of the
Who is the petitioner?
petitioner, Mr. Paul. Item 7, Saidul Rahman.
Is it Mr. Paul or Mr. Qureshi?
Well,
Was this Mr. Qureshi's name also?
Initially,
Initially,
it was Qureshi, then the
Mr. Paul.
ended up what you
Yes. This also at the. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks.
Your
Your
respondent number?
8.
This is a request made on behalf of the respondent number 8. This is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 5. Lordship, Mr. Paul is out of station, Lordship.
He was here yesterday only
He left evening, Lordship.
because of this case.
Pardon me, sir.
He left Shillong because of this case.
We have no objections.
When do you want it?
2 weeks, Lordship.
This was at the education petitioner list after 2 weeks. Yes.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 9.
Who is the other side enter number 9?
9, Lordship.
9 and 10.
Connect.
9 and 10 are connected matters.
Yes. 10 also Mr. Paul is there.
9, 10, madam.
So 9, 10 you have similar prayer.
9 and 10, Lordship.
9 and 10. Same order. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
Obliged, madam.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 18, my lord. Lordship, may this matter be kindly taken up after 2 weeks, my lord.
Who is the other side?
My lord, state, my lord. And there is one private respondent.
Appeal for respondent number 2, Your Lordship.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Lordship.
Same order. The request after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, similar prayer for item number 8.
Item number 8 you are?
For the petitioner, Your Lordship.
You are petitioner or your respondent?
Petitioner,
My
Your
lord,
Lordship.
I'm for the respondent state, my lord. We have Joy Municipal Board also, therefore, my lord, I'm for the state. There are 2 respondents.
Any objection?
No, my lord.
When do you want
2
it?
weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes, same order. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21. I pray for some time, Lordship, as the conducting counsel, Mr. Panthi, is out
Item
of
number
station.
20?
21, Lordship.
The last item?
Yes.
Yes. You are making mention on behalf of the petitioner.
Yes, Your. Conducting counsel, Mr. Panthi, is out of station, Lordship.
We have no objection, my lord.
When do you want it?
2 weeks, Lordship.
Same order. Item 21. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 19.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner, and I humbly pray that this court may allow us to find a rejoinder.
Rejoinder in a criminal
Yes, Your
petition.
Lordship.
What rejoinder is needed?
Your Lordship, we have just received information with
That is
relation
okay, but then you see, it is not a writ petition where you need to file a rejoinder. We will see if anything is needed. We'll pass that order later.
Okay, much obliged.
Okay.
Stop
So,
pressing.
what do you want right now? Are you ready for hearing otherwise?
No, Your Lordship, my senior only instructed me to ask for rejoinder for today.
It's criminal petition. What? Yes, Mr. Khan.
Quashing of an FIR.
Rejoinder means that a written objection was filed.
Yes.
Any objection filed here in this matter by the state? Rejoinder in which sense? Why do you want a rejoinder?
Sincere apologies, Your Lordship. I've just received this instruction from my senior.
You should have detailed instruction.
19, 20 are connected. 20 also, both are cross FIR.
So that is what for the see, like this court has not understood. If it is a criminal petition, is it for quashing? This item number 19 is for quashing, Mr. Khan.
Quashing.
So what rejoinder is needed here then?
FIR and contempt. So 19 they want to file to bring in certain facts. Court had allowed in
In
the
that
law.
19, have you filed any objection?
No,
Written objection? Then what is the question of filing rejoinder, madam?
Sure.
If I may please, Lordship, for 19 I am the complainant.
Yes.
As a respondent, I have filed an objection.
Yes. But then
want to
in criminal petition, where is the scope of filing a rejoinder? We'll see what is the thing.
So otherwise fixed for hearing.
It is already fixed for hearing. It's already in the hearing. Are you ready for hearing?
I've not received any instruction at the senior lodge.
So what is to be done today?
Lordship, I pray for the matter be taken up after 2 weeks.
Then 20 is connected with this.
Connect FIR is common, but 20 the cause of action is that whereas the district council has got jurisdiction in granting anticipatory bail in POCSO matters. And 20 will take some time in Lordship. There is a divergent view all across country, power of POCSO court. So far criminal matters concerned, Lordship, Supreme Court is clear.
Can take it up. If you are ready, you can.
No. Since they are asking for time.
Here, your issue is that district council court, isn't it? Probably we can deal with the thing. Anyway, whenever you are ready.
Whenever we are ready, no issue.
This item 19 will be at the request of the petitioner, list of the petition for 2 weeks, like before you do it, and then 20 will be at yours.
Okay, as a Lordship, please.
20, anybody appearing for the respondent?
I'm for the petitioner in 20.
20 state is
I'm for the
Meghalaya.
respondent. I'm sorry. I'm for the respondent. I'm sorry.
Any objection to this?
No.
So 20 also at the request of the petitioner. Yes.
Obliged.
Much obliged to your Lordship.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, this one matter before your Lordship, item number 15. Lordship, for some reason the matter has been transferred to your Lordship. You just need to bring to your information, my Lord, that a similar matter is pending before the other bench, Justice Dingdo. So it's a connected matter. If this matter could be tagged along.
Tagging along, we cannot pass an order. If you want it to be tagged along, then you have to file an application to the.
Since the matter,
place the matter before
the matter in other petition,
the Chief Justice is the appropriate authority for doing that. Yes. Okay. If you want us to wait for the outcome of that matter, that we can do. But then we cannot pass an order for taking it together.
Since it's connected matter, so
You
I'll
have
just
to-
bring
That
to
is
you.
okay. You can take steps in a different way. You have to file it. Not by mentioning before this court. You file an application. Okay. Seeking the matter to be tagged together with the other matter. So right now, what shall we do? Yes, madam. What shall we do right now? Shall we say that you want to wait for the outcome of that matter, or shall we?
My lord, both the matters are connected. The matters pertain to the power of the Lokayukta. So
Why one matter before here and one matter before another?
actually,
court?
lordship, the other matters part heard, but it was not tagged together. But whenever this other matter was taken up, this was also taken up at the same time by the honorable court, lordship.
But then this will have some bearing.
This
Okay.
will have some bearing, lordship,
So we'll
because
keep
it pertains to
we'll keep
jurisdiction.
it pending. If you see, we'll pass an order adjourning it today. And meanwhile, if you want it to be listed together, then you file an application.
My lord, that would be appropriate, lordship.
That is what is to be done.
Lordship.
See, this court cannot pass an order.
My lord,
Because
cannot.
roster is not within
True,
the.
it's not,
So
yes.
that is to. Has to be order has to be passed by the Honorable Chief Justice.
My lord.
You file an application, say that there is a connected matter part heard before these things. That is.
And for respondent 1 and 2, my lord.
I'm for respondent number 3, lordship.
State is the petitioner here, lordship.
It is submitted by the parties that item number 15, it is submitted by the Learned Council acting with the parties that a similar matter is pending before another bench of this court. Shall we say similar matter or connected matter?
It's a similar matter, lordship.
Connected before and is heard at some length by the said bench. The approach of the Learned Councils therefore pray. Can you give the number of the case?
Lordship.
Writ petition number 120 of 2021.
It's a similar matter bearing WPC number so and so. The parties therefore pray for tagging along this matter with the petition number so and so. Stop. Since the prayer made is cannot be granted. Or rather you just say the prayer made is not within the domain of this court. Stop. However, the parties will be at liberty to file appropriate application. Seeking the tagging together of the matters. Stop. Let's pray for this matter. When shall we do it? When you will be filing an application? When do you propose to do it?
I'll have to take instruction.
Is it after 3 weeks, lordship? Accordingly. In the meanwhile, they can take appropriate steps, my lord.
You do one thing. Let's pray for the parties. The matter stands urgent and be listed in due course.
Lordship.
Highly
Much obliged,
obliged.
lordship.
There may be correction here, Jeff.
Lordship. Lordship. Much obliged, lordship.
Please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17, Lordship. Lordship, in the last occasion, respondent number 8 sought time to file the affidavit, Your Lordship, and we need to file the rejoinder.
Affidavit item number 17. Which respondent have filed the affidavit? You have filed the affidavit.
No, respondent 8 has filed a affidavit on the last date, Lordship. Pro
Who is
forma.
number 8?
I was informed, Lordship.
the Doloi of the. I was informed that the
You are
council is
appearing for the district council.
GH. I am for 4 and 5.
No, you are not district council.
No, no. It's Jayanta Hills.
So you want to file a rejoinder against the affidavit of?
Respondent number 8. 3 weeks time, Your Lordship.
That's all right. What for rejoinder is needed to be filed? Why do you want to file a rejoinder?
We need to reply, Your Lordship, since the respondent number 8 never filed an affidavit. It was only at the latest stage that they filed, so we need to reply.
Okay. Yes. Give your name, please, madam.
B. Rasa.
So, in Solana Council appearing for the petitioner. Sixth time to file a rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition. Affidavit opposition of the respondent number 8. Stop. The matter accordingly stands urgent and bill is listed after 2 weeks. Meanwhile, the petitioner may file the rejoinder affidavit as prayed for.
Obligation.
I'd like to mention item number 14, my lord. If this matter can be listed after.
No one is in the mood of taking up matter till now. We are yet to regain the mood. Item 14, yes.
14, my lord. This can be listed after 3 weeks, my lord.
Yes, as per for the learned counsel for the petitioner. List after
3 weeks, my lord.
yes.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 11, Lordship.
Yes.
Let this matter must be filed after 2 weeks, Lordship. Awaiting for the appearance of respondent number 5 and 6, Lordship.
They have not been served till now.
Already served, Lordship. Last order,
They have not entered appearance.
not yet, Lordship.
It's okay. If there is no outside appearance, so there is no problem. We'll proceed ahead.
My lord, what had happened, my lord? This matter, my lord, the affidavits, everything was exchanged, my lord. The matter was taken up for hearing. My lord, our stand of the state is that, my lord, the prayer of the writ petitioner is infructuous. Because what relief she is claiming, that matter has already become infructuous, my lord. So thereafter, my lord, they, this honorable court gave them the permission to amend the petition. So thereafter, they re-amended the whole petition, my lord, caused at a few things.
So the cause of action has been revived.
Cause of action has been revived, my lord. Of course, we
Make
objected.
the matter alive after
We objected to that, but nevertheless, earlier round, my lord, for the
So
private.
now, after the amendment, now the thing, it is no more infructuous now then.
Now, because the order of dismissal now here now in this case they have challenged, my lord. Earlier they had not
The original
challenged.
petition was filed praying for what? For praying for
The dismissal order, they did not pray for that, my lord. The
This is
prayer was
service matter.
different.
This is service matter.
So, yes, my lord, school teacher.
Petitioner has approached this court against dismissal.
Yes, school teacher.
But then the dismissal was not under challenge.
Not under challenge.
What was it under challenge at that point of time? The original petition.
Original petition, my lord, she was asked to stop coming to work. That was, she had challenged that.
And subsequent to dismissal order.
Yes, yes, yes.
This is a private school.
My lord, this is government aided, my lord.
Government aided school. So you have a say here. Your approval is needed everywhere, isn't it?
That is one aspect. Another, my lord, for the private respondents.
So before dismissal, your prior approval is needed. That is what the law says, isn't it?
Yes.
So anyway, the 5 and 6, respondent of 5 and 6, they are school authorities.
Earlier, yes, Bhattacharya was appearing, my lord. Subsequently, after the amendment, she is unable to contact the parties. She declined to appear, my lord.
We'll just adjourn it on your prayer.
Your Lordship.
When do you want it?
Up to 2 weeks, Lordship.
Yes, same also. Let's try for adjourn and let's try for 2 weeks. Yes.
High Court, Lordship.
My lord. Item number 12, my lord. Some personal difficulty, my lord. A week. Next week it can be listed.
Personal difficulty?
No.
But it doesn't seem that you are in a difficult situation here. Yes,
No
opposing.
objection, Your Lordship.
No objection. Yes, when?
Next week.
After a week, at the request of the yes.
I'll please.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
It is Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number.
For mention.
Lordship. Lordship, item number 16, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, a similar matter is pending before the learned division bench, Lordship. In writ appeal number 36 of 2023, titled as State of Meghalaya versus Hima Molong.
What is the issue here?
Lordship is regarding collection of royalty through the challenge for the mineral
By
the state. By the state.
By the state.
Lordship.
District Council has challenged it.
Lordship.
Lordship, if I may.
Lordship, your Lordship is also part of the bench, Lordship. And
Lordship, I think my
Yes.
learned friend is confused. Lordship, this matter pertains to the illegal order passed by the state government for closure of the check gates which has been erected by the district council under the Regulation Act, the Trading by Non-Trading Regulation Act. So this matter pertains to the illegal closure of the state government. Now the matter pertaining to which my learned friend has referred to, that pertains to different matter, Lordship. That pertains to customary gates. These are not.
That concerns the
power
of the CM.
Lordship.
To collect.
Lordship. Here we are bound by the Regulation Act, Lordship.
The
Lordship, the district council.
This is a kind of, you see, like a.
This is the gates have been erected by district council to check the illegal trading under the act.
Was there any case?
There's a decisions
by this court.
By this court, Lordship.
Whether this court was a part of those.
This court, I'll have to verify, Lordship.
So then, Mr. Kanwan Language has. It is submitted. This is not at all connected with that matter. Two different subject matters. Here is the authority of district council. There it is authority of CM.
Lordship.
And the subject matters are different. The other matter which you are referring to,
Lordship,
that concerns the collection of royalty from minerals.
Lordship.
Here it is not. Here it is a kind of check gate for non-tribal who are engaged in trade.
If I may, Lordship, Lordship, we had relied on one judgment which Lordship is part of that. Mayantis Maulat. He was the agent of the KHDC. Lordship had appeared for under the respondent.
So whether the judgment is in your favor, I don't think the judgment helps you.
It helps, Lordship.
It helps you.
Lordship. And based on these judgments, we had obtained the interim orders, Lordship.
Will there be a bar for this court to take up the matter?
Lordship will have to examine because.
Anyway, so what is to be done today then?
Lordship, if matter may be adjourned for a week, Lordship, because Advocate General will be here for.
He is not objecting.
I have no objection.
Let's pray for Mr. Karwan Learned Additional Senior GA on behalf of the state respondent. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
After 2 weeks.
Any date, Your Lordship. Any date.
After 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Much obliged.
Item number 1.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship was a counsel in this matter, your lordship, in District Council Court when the petitioner had challenged the trial court's order.
You have come against the order passed by District Council. What is
Yes,
the order?
my lord, we are challenging the order passed by District
Where is that
Council.
order?
My lord, at page 23, my lord, it's the order which we are challenging before this court. But my lord was the counsel.
Just court want to refresh it. Where it is? You have any difficulty in pointing out where is the order?
My lord, my lordship's name was not recorded in
yes,
that order.
Yes, yes.
Yes, my lord.
You're correct.
Yes, my lord.
Oh,
Yes, my lord. Yes.
yes. This is matter before any other bench. Then right into the bracket. Yes.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Otherwise, this court would have passed an order in your favor. Yeah.
Item number 2.
Yes. Yes.
So we are for the petitioner here, Your Lordship.
Yes. What for it has come?
Your Lordship, we have to file an affidavit for confirmation of service. We have already taken steps in this matter, Your Lordship.
And what is the status of the service? The ID card has not received. Response number 4.
It has been delivered. It has been delivered, Your Lordship.
You have
We have to file an
delivered the
affidavit to
status.
bring it
So
on
file
record.
in these things. File an affidavit.
Yes, 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes. Office note dated 27/7/2025 indicates that the report of service of notice upon the respondent number 4 has not yet been received. The petitioner shall verify the after stop. The petitioner shall verify the status of service upon the said respondent and file an affidavit of service. Stop. This stop at 2 weeks.
Item number 4.
Lordship, on the last day, Lordship, the other side had taken time to serve notice upon respondent 6 and 9 by way of Thursday. Lordship.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Hassan, my lord. So we have taken steps, my lord. So kindly allow me to file a status report, my lord. By way of an affidavit.
You are supposed to file an affidavit of service
Yes.
upon the respondent number 6 and 9, isn't it?
Yes, Lordship.
So you have not done. So you want more time for doing that.
Yes, Lordship.
Are you advocate on record?
No, Lordship, I'm just appearing on behalf of Mr.
Can you
Hassan.
make this prayer then?
He informed me, my lord. Mr. Hassan informed me to appear.
Yeah, might have informed. But then can you make this prayer? Yes, Mr. Sava, can he make this for prayer?
Time may be given, Lordship, as your Lordship pleases.
That is, you can understand. He can always make a prayer for adjournment.
Yes.
There is no problem.
Yes, yes.
A lawyer instructing another counsel.
Yes.
Then, if you have to make some other prayer, then perhaps
Lordship is correct.
law may not allow you.
Apology.
Anyway, Mr. So and so, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. S.K. Hassan, has prayed for. How much time you want?
2 weeks, Lordship.
Grant of some time on the ground of non-availability of Mr. Hassan. Prayer alert. List of things.